Good morning, guys. It's Miss Johnson. Let's get started on our reading lesson today. So yesterday we learned about table of contents, and we learned that in many nonfiction books, there's a table of contents at the beginning that helps us find information really fast. Well, today we're going to learn about another text feature that is found in nonfiction books called a glossary. We've talked about this before, but let's review it today. So a glossary helps us understand what we're reading because it tells us the meaning of tricky words in our stories. A lot of times we can find the glossary at the very end of the book, and it'll have a few of those really tricky words that the author thought might be a little bit hard for us, and it gives the meaning right there beside it so that we can understand what we're reading. Today we're going to take a look at this book, How Animals Sleep, and we're going to read until we come across a word that is a little bit tricky. Let's get started. Introduction. Almost all animals need to sleep to stay healthy, but sleeping can be dangerous. Other animals may hunt sleeping animals. Animals have many different ways of sleeping that help them stay safe. Some of these ways may surprise you. Sleeping upside down. Almost all bats sleep upside down. Oh, goodness. They hang by their toes from a branch or from the ceiling of a cave. Ooh, that word ceiling, that's a little bit tricky for me. I've heard it before, but I would really like to just know for sure what it means. And I see that it is in dark, bold letters right here. That's the author telling me that word is in the glossary. So I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom of our book, which is usually like the end of our book. And oh, sure enough, there's my glossary right there. Now I'm looking for the word ceiling. Hey, you know what I'm noticing? This is in alphabetical order. The first letter in the glossary, the first letter of the first word is an A. The next word starts with a B, and then the next word starts with a C. Hey, there's the word ceiling. Let's look over here to find the definition or the meaning of this word ceiling. The inside top part of a room. Oh, that's right. That's where I had heard it before, like the ceiling of my house. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now I'm going to go back to where I was reading. Make sure that makes sense there. I always want to check to make sure I'm understanding what I'm reading. Okay, let's see. Almost all bats sleep upside down. They hang by their toes from a branch or from the ceiling of a cave. Okay, that makes sense. So they hang from the top part of the ceiling. That makes total sense for me. Okay, let's see. Now I want to go, let's see the page that I've got something I want you to try. Ooh, right here. Okay, I'm checking out these pictures. I know those give me a lot of great information too. I'm seeing some birds here. These birds are standing. This bird's flying. Let's read about this bird. Sleeping while flying. That's my heading. Some seabirds can sleep while they fly. What? That's crazy. These large birds spend most of their lives over the ocean. They are in danger on the water, but they are safe in the air. They glide for many hours without flapping their wings. Sometimes they sleep while they glide. Ooh, glide is a cool word. I really like that word, but I'm not 100% sure what it means. I'm noticing, though, that author did that same thing there where he made those letters dark and bold to show me that it's in the glossary. So your job today is to go to the glossary. I've posted a picture of it on your lessons for today, and I want you to figure out, what does glide mean? Please use your glossary to figure out the definition or the meaning of the word glide. Then I want to see if you can use it in a sentence. You can't use the one from the book. You've got to make up your own. Use the word glide in a sentence once you really understand the meaning of the word. Good luck, everybody. Can't wait to see your work.